Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continue working on a Jetta that I'm doing for my sister. And you guys in the previous episode remember that they finished polishing this thing out except the roof. But we'll get to the roof later. Today what I wanted to do is reassemble this front bumper, rear bumper, and also reassemble front end, rear end, and the front doors. I still need to paint the door handles and also gas cap, but that's gonna be probably next time, because today my main goal is to reassemble everything outside as much as possible and then move on the interior. So that's the goal for beginning of this episode. Let's get it rolling, let's get it started and see how far we can get. There you go guys, done with the front end. Hey look, this looks completely different now. It looks like a car and almost complete. I'm done here for now. I still need to do some things underneath it, but at the same time I need to install the fender liners, and I need to jacket up a car, take the wheels out and all that, and I don't have those fender liners in here in garage. They're outside. I'm gonna have to go grab them, but I'll do that later. Right now I want to jump on this rear end, reassemble the bumper, reinstall everything back in here, reassemble the trunk, basically reassemble everything here, clean out and be ready for the interior. And I'm gonna call my buddy and see if his tool to cut out the windshield still available. Not still available, if it's available and I can go get it. That would be awesome. But right now, let's continue reassembling. Alright guys, I'm actually outside as you can see, and the reason I'm outside is because I have a glass cutter. Thank you Sergio for letting me borrow your tool. I really appreciate it. You're helping me out big time. Right now Jetta is in the front of me. There's lots of snow on it. We need to clean it out and cut this glass out of it so we can install it in the fixed Jetta, and also so I can get the headliner out. This is the thing I'm gonna be using. It looks like sharp enough. I probably should sharpen more, but I'm really anxious to see how it's gonna work. So let's grab it, clean it, cut it. I got everything that I need to finish reassembling this vehicle. The glass actually cracked on that side, so I can't use it. That sucks. But I got the headliner out and it needs to be cleaned. You can see it's a little dirty, but it's gonna be no problem to get this clean. Also, door over here, I'm gonna be using, or not gonna be using this mirror. Is it broken? Yeah, it is broken. I can't use it, but I'm gonna be using all the panels of this. Also have bolt doors on that side. This door is the passenger side, and then that one is this one over here. So I'm gonna have to disassemble bolt doors and put everything back in here, and also need to get this door handles out, whatever, and paint them because they're different color. Also need to get these covers off. Oh man, I actually can install the mirrors and just get the covers off and paint them and throw them in later. I just don't remember if this handle can be installed from here without interfering with the latch, because usually rear doors are interfering with the latch, so you can't remove the handle without removing the latch. I don't know, I don't even remember where this latch is. Anyway, I'm pretty sure the front door you can just stick it in, but rear doors are usually different. How to take off rear glass on 2014 Jetta.
Alright guys, today I would started the glass and knock the center hole, the center plastic piece out.
There you go, guys. Almost complete. Almost. So as you can see, reassembled both doors. The mirror, original. It looks like color match, but slightly. Door handle is just here, so I don't lose it, and can open the doors. So now it's reassembled. Of course, needs to be cleaned out, needs to be vacuumed again, deep cleaning and all that. But I'm gonna be doing that later on. I need to focus on finishing, installing everything, and paint the other parts. You can see it's a big mess in it, and still lots to assemble. I mean, it's almost there. I need to change the oil, also needs to change the valve, which is gonna be here tomorrow. I called them and ordered it. Also need to install fender liners on this side also. Let's check this side. You can see silver handle. It's installed just like that. Simple, easy. Over here you can see I'm missing this switch over here because this switch doesn't want to work for some reason. I don't know why. See, it's wibbly wobbly. So I need to pull it out from other one and install it here. And this side is gonna be, oh gosh, same thing. Anyway, it's the same thing in there. This is the original tint. And this is the tint from other vehicle. Let's see. This is from other vehicle, and this is the original tint, I believe. Yes, this is original. This is from other vehicle. To me, kind of looks the same. I don't know. Also, this needs to be painted. I totally forgot about it. Rear end is done. Oh, I need to put the emblem and a few things, but other than that, rest of it is complete. Headliner, of course, needs to be cleaned out and installed. But that's something I'm gonna be doing in the next episode. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here. There's tons of work being done, and I think this episode is gonna be way too big. So I'd rather you guys see more often episodes, since so much going on in my life again. It's like, I don't wanna go to it. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you next one. If you want to see Inside Scoop, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. I'll see you next time.